In the workshop's embrace, where creativity flows, we celebrate woodworking, where art truly grows. With tools as our partners and wood as our muse, each piece tells a story, each grain we will choose. From rough-hewn beginnings to polished delight, we shape and we carve, bringing visions to light. In the dance of the chisel, in the hum of the saw, we find joy in creation and beauty in law. In the heart of the workshop, where dreams take their flight, gather your tools, let the vision ignite. With a sturdy old bench and a piece of fine wood, begin the adventure where creativity's good. First, choose your timber, let nature inspire. From oak's timeless strength to birch's soft fire, measure and mark with precision and care. Each cut is a promise, each stroke a love affair. The saw sings a melody, smooth and so bright, as you shape the raw edges, bringing form to the light. Chisel in hand, let your spirit be free. In the dance of your craft, find your harmony. Sandpaper whispers, smoothing rough seams, bringing forth beauty as it softly redeems. With every fine stroke, reveal the wood's grain, a tapestry woven where nature's not plain. Now comes the finish, a glaze or a stain, enhancing the colors, letting character reign. From glossy reflections to matte, earthy tones, each choice adds a layer, each layer now hones. As the piece comes alive, admire the art, a blend of your labor, your passion, your heart. A bowl for the table, a sculpture for light. In the world of woodworking, your soul takes flight. So celebrate this journey, the craft that you hold. In every creation, let your story be told. For woodworking's magic is more than just skill. It's a celebration of life, a testament of will. With each passing season, new inspirations arise. From the warmth of the hearth to the vast open skies, nature's own palette, in colors so bold, shapes the soul of the craftsman, each story unfolds. Gather your friends, let the laughter resound. In the joy of creation, community is found. Share tools and ideas, let knowledge take flight. For together in crafting, we shine ever bright. From carving and turning to joinery tight, each technique is a treasure, each moment a delight. Explore the dimensions, let your spirit roam free. In the heart of the wood, find your creativity. A bench, a chair, or a delicate frame, each crafted piece whispers a love for the game. In homes and in hearts, let your artwork reside, a testament to passion, with each grain as your guide. As twilight descends and the workshop grows still, reflect on the journey, the dreams you fulfill. For in every creation, a piece of you stays. In the echoes of wood, your spirit displays. So let the world witness the beauty you weave. In the art of woodworking, there's so much to believe. Celebrate the process, the journey, the start. For in crafting with wood, you're sharing your heart. So here's to the journey, the craft we embrace, to the love that we pour into each sacred space. With every creation, may our stories be told. In the warmth of the wood, let our hearts unfold. From functional wonders to art that inspires, we celebrate woodworking, where passion never tires. In the grains of each piece, may our spirits reside. For in crafting with wood, our dreams are our guide.